You try and get a container. You're paying multiples of what you paid
10x, 10x in a year.
So spend less.
Well, it all kind of ties.
Eat at home, don't go out.
It ties back to what Jamie Dimon told one of our affiliates internationally about what would happen if inflation truly did surprise into the next year, and what Jay Powell may have to do about that. Take a listen.
They're indicating, that sometime in November, give or take a month or two, they'll tell the world that they're going to stop tapering. I don't know if they're going to describe exactly how they're going to do it. The taper itself will take, the way they're talking about, will take a year or something like that. And, that'll all be fine if we have decent growth. I think decent growth is far more important than anything, that we keep on growing, and that is the antidote for all ills.
That's not the soundbite I was looking for. What he did say was that it's possible that the Fed could be pushed into a sharp move next year if inflation gets too high. Not saying that's going to happen,
right,
but it's possible.
If Dr. Gottlieb is right, it won't happen. I believe that a lot of what's going on is that people aren't going to work. We also need to have.
Why aren't people going to work?
Well, women aren't in the labor force because they've had. This is
kids are in
Secretary
school?
Raimondo saying that. No, I'm saying give it a little chance here. Give it. Here, call me.
Yes.
Mr. Powell, first I want to know why you allowed a lot of renegade trading where guys made a lot of money based on what you were about to say.
So you don't think there'll be any questions about this?
Let me finish. This is a two-part question, Mr. Powell.
Okay, Jim.
And secondly, why have you let rampant inflation continue when you probably even yourself, have you been to the movies? Have you been to the supermarket? How much is milk? How much is Oatly?
Lately, yeah.
And then third, we have Toast on. We did Toast came public today, and they're talking about restaurant prices going up. So, Mr. Powell, you're a disaster.